scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculus problems like this average rate of change question looked intimidating, but you can solve them in 60 seconds by following these 3 simple, fast steps. First, find the average rate of change over the interval 0 to 6. Evaluate the function at the endpoints and divide the difference by the interval length of exactly 6. Next, differentiate the function f of x. The derivative of x is 1, 3 sine x becomes 3 cosine x, and negative 4 cosine x becomes 4 positive sine x. Finally, set the derivative equal to the average rate, solve for the 2 values of x in the interval, and find their difference to identify the correct option now. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore endpoints or skip the derivative. Always apply MVT and check the interval.